Oh, look at that STI. Hello. You look fast. I wish I had a Subaru. What's up, guys? Finally got a day off, so I'm gonna go visit a friend right now. Kind of relocated my camera at the chin of my helmet here, so hopefully you guys can hear me better. It's my first time actually not doing a voiceover. Like I said, I'm gonna go visit a friend right now. Still haven't seen him in a bit. Been working a lot, so we haven't got a break during this whole thing. Essential workers lead the way. You already know. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah. It's a little gloomy today. It was actually a little bit sunny, but I don't know what happened. Got rain coming in this weekend. We're supposed to go ride this weekend with some friends, but we'll see how it goes. Hey ladies. I bet you they're way more comfortable than I am right now. So I'm on the CBR today. Hold up, there's a damn ambulance. I was riding the Gixxer the other day. So comparing that Gixxer, the 2008 Gixxer 600, is definitely way more comfortable than this bike. This bike's, people say the CBR is more comfortable, but maybe it's my height. So this one I gotta hunch down a little bit more. Hope everyone's alright where that guy's going. Yeah. Okay. I've been working all week. I rode my bike once to work this week, so took a new route. Speaking of that, I finally experienced riding into the sun with a clear visor, and that was a complete no-go. I mean, I couldn't see anything. I literally had to follow the damn yellow line on the ground just to kind of see where I'm going. But I had to be extra cautious, extra careful. So it's been kind of crazy. So for the ones who don't know, I've been on this bike for maybe, I got it about a month ago. So I've been riding for like a month. Still learning. Still taking in advice from a bunch of buddies. Watching a bunch of YouTube videos, and this is where I'm at right now. I'm just happy I'm not stalling. I think the first time I started, from now, I only stalled it maybe like 3 times. I think my second day, I actually laid down the bike super slow motion right in front of my house. I'm also getting used to it. I'm a little short, so I put a little bit more effort into coming to a stop since I can't touch the ground. But my daughter was coming up right in front of me, and I kind of panicked, I guess. I didn't want to hit her. So I didn't want to hit her, and I just kind of laid the bike down, I guess. But other than that, maybe like a week or two later, I ate it, man. I ate it hard. Ordered a bunch of buddies out in the country, and coming up to a turn, I didn't read it well. Went to the left, and it cut to the right, and I didn't react in time. I wasn't experienced enough, and I went down. I went down about like maybe 50, 55. I was wearing gear, so it was okay. It wasn't too bad. I was a little sore the next day, but definitely the gear helped out a lot. Definitely helped out a lot. Man, this road is all messed up. As for the bike, it broke a few fairings. The guys I was with helped me out. It took like 5 or 6 of us just to get it back on the road. But other than that, once it got back on the road, man, I you know, put myself back together and I just rode. I finished the whole ride, so it was good. My buddy lives over here, so let's go check him out. He should be over here. There he is. Look at that sexy guy. Alright, so we're gonna go and visit another friend of mine. That's what I'm doing today. I'm just visiting people, man. You know? I'm just visiting people. Driving hella fast, man. That little Fiat 500. All you guys all can hear me, man, because I've been doing voiceovers. So, it's right in front of my face, right in front of my mouth. So I hope it's all good. I ordered a mic, so I don't know when it's gonna be here. But bike, bro. I know it's older, but I purposely looked for this bike 2006 CBR 600 double R. I didn't want any other year, I wanted this year. I love this bike, man. For the age, it's got 33,000 miles. I got it at 30. I think it was at 33. But man, I love this bike. But man, yeah, as for this bike, dude, I love this bike so much. I literally learned how to ride a bike on this thing. But man, love it. Dude, this bike, out of all those, has to be my favorite bike that I've ridden so far. I don't know what it is. It's not the fastest, you know, but I love this bike, dude. Oh man, I love this so much. So like I said, guys, I'm gonna be riding for about a month. Not even a month, because it's not consistent. Maybe like 3 weeks. I wanted to ride, man. I put a lot of effort into getting it down. I'm not saying I got it down, but I actually know where like my comfort level, you know. I actually know where I'm at right now. So for anyone who wants to start riding, it'll take a while. It all depends on how much speed time you get, and it all depends on how much effort you're putting in it. And for me, I wanted to get it down. I wanted to get it down bad. So those days that you can't go ride, but you're like, nah, it's too hot, too windy, too anything. Those are just wasted moments of when you feel comfortable on it. And honestly, it's kind of a safety thing too. The faster you get comfortable on a bike, the faster you have confidence, you know, the safer you are. But it's a double-edged sword, so don't get too comfortable, don't get too confident. Check out that fucking dog. Oh yeah. So as for my YouTube channel, I had to change the name, guys. I got a little message one day, the next day. It went from Shogun's Moto Vlog. I had to change it up. To out of anger, out of frustration, I kind of thought of the name, you know, instead of pedal to the metal. Bikes, they do twist of the wrist. So I just named it Twist of the Risk. And instead of their wrist, how risky it is, man, because anytime you want to twist that wrist, the wrist level, you know, it goes higher. So, hey, this is appropriate. Oh, check that out. Hi. Look at that girl tripping. She's, oh, dude, there you go. That's where I'm from. Tweaker Central. Oh, man. Oh, she flipped me off. She flipped me off? I think she flipped me off. Oh, she's mad. Oh, not at me, that guy. Oh, man, I'm so happy. I put my GoPro out. Because I already knew, just in this town in general, that I'm going to see some crazy shit. I know, this place got some ugly ass speed bumps. Let's go, bro. He's probably like, what the hell, you're supposed to show up. But he doesn't know, but he probably will because he'll watch this video. Because I went the opposite direction. I did a small little review on this thing. Hilarious. I haven't seen this guy in forever, and I hope he's doing okay. I think he lives over here somewhere. Whoa. I don't know if you guys can hear. Oh, my phone is ringing. What's up, sexy guy? But it's a good bike. Hella miles. 33,000, which is a lot on a bike.
Really?
Yeah. That's what they say. I don't care. It runs well. Yeah. Alright, brother.
Alright, Jeff.
Alright, my man. So yeah, man. That was my buddy Cisco. Super cool guy. Trying to plan out some things so we can start hanging out more. I think it's been like a gears. Look at that Mustang though. Sick. Yep. Oh, look at that. BRZ. So, I hate those cars. I think it's because like everyone thinks they're fast and they drive it like they're fast. So their reputation kinda, they just suck, dude. There's home. Yes, so that's a 600 double R. Love it.